Hi! In front of me is TCL NxtPaper 10s, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, you need to find clock and tap on it. Now select alarm at the top left corner if it's not already on and tap on this plus icon. Then set up an hour and click on the switcher next to repeat if you want your alarm to repeat. Then pick days of the week. I will go with Mondays and Fridays. Now click on the switcher next to show weather if you wish to enable or disable the switcher. If you wish to enable it, you need to tap on go to settings. Choose agree. Tap on turn on. Then select while using the app or only this time. And click on the back button. Following that, click on label and label your alarm however you want to. Then tap on OK and click on ringtone. Now you can pick one of those melodies by tapping on the best one and going back, like birds. But you can also select add new. Then, OK, that was weird. We'll try again. Click on add new. Then pick one of those options. I will go with music, select just once or always, and pick song from your smartphone by tapping on the chosen one, clicking on done, and going back. Now to save your alarm, you need to click on this check mark at the top right corner. And as you can see, mine was successfully added. If you wish to switch it off completely, tap on the switcher next to it. If you wish to turn it back on, click on the same one. If you wish to adjust more alarm settings, click on those three dots at the top right corner and adjust them however you wish to. If you wish to get rid of your alarm though, you need to hold it. Then select bin icon at the top right corner, and now it's gone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!